Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the country and language options on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the settings option, which is the last option, and after that tap on settings and click on country and language. Now your country and region is set to the United States. So if you scroll down, you will be able to select from a bunch of options. All you have to do is just simply clicking on the relevant one and then tap on language. Here are all of the available ones that you can select from. So again, tap on the relevant one and then tap on the done button. Here you can also select your currency, which is now set to Canadian dollar. So it always is in connection with your selected country and region. So tap on the button done in order to save all these changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.